And this is what happens when a peacock can't see you. So you beach the butt.
Kevin! It's nighttime, not honk time. Hi! Peacock, it's so beautiful. Oh!
Boom, boom, boom. Let me hear you say whale.
Hey, can you do that thing? Can you do that thing, cuz?
You're a handsome little fella. Ow! That wasn't very not. God.
So, for those who don't know, female peacocks are white.
Yep. Just right there. Oh my God.